OSMO Pocket 3 comes with 4 structural accessories: an expansion adapter, a 1/4-inch threaded handle, a battery handle, and a tripod. The 1/4-inch threaded handle and battery handle feature a push-button design. There is no need to press the release button on the front. Connect the handle to the USB-C port at the bottom of the camera and insert it directly. Make sure that the clips on both sides are correctly locked into place. When detaching, press and hold the release button on the front and unplug the handle. After installing the 1/4-inch threaded handle or battery handle, the tripod can be mounted to the bottom of the handle. With the expansion adapter, the camera can be used in conjunction with the adapter mount for the OSMO Action series. Open the OSMO Pocket 3 expansion adapter. Keep an eye on the edges of the joystick base and gently fit the camera in the adapter. Securely fasten the adapter clamp. With the expansion adapter and an adapter mount, you can conveniently connect your camera to a wider range of accessories, enhancing your shooting experience. When accessories such as shoulder straps and hanging neck mount are worn in front of the body, you can enable wearable mode on the camera. The camera will rotate and lock in selfie mode. The gimbal mode will change to tilt locked, and the joystick can be used to control gimbal rotation. Tap twice on the screen to recenter the gimbal. Other functions of the screen will be locked. Tap the screen and slide to exit wearable mode.